You can find the office layout set up in the main navigation. Point to the floor plan. Create your first building. Select the building to manage its floors. Click to add your first floor. Enter a name for the floor. Click the upload icon to add your floor plan image. You can upload and change image later too. Click Add to create and save the new floor. You can upload and change the floor plan image anytime. Click Update to confirm and save the floor plan image. You can find the resources you created on the right side. Go to the Spots Management if you need to create more. Click the plus button beside the resource name to add its hotspot on the map. Content with the hotspots for desks, rooms, or parking. Click Save to store your floor plan edits. Now it's time to test your map. Click the menu icon to open navigation. Select Calendar to open scheduling and bookings. Click Layout Options. Select Floor Plan to view the office layout. Select the day to view bookings for that date. Adjust your booking start time to see available spaces. Green hotspot signals the available space for the selected date and time. Click the hotspot to view its booking details. Now you book the space standard way as you are used to. Click Book to confirm and finalize your reservation as always. Use mobile app for smooth booking experience on the go. Book desks, parking, and other spaces throughout your office areas, anywhere, anytime, in just a few clicks.